Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, then hi. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and become a part of my Chotu Chotu family, which is like really small right now. But I would really love if you help me grow and help me achieve my dreams. And yeah, normally I would say let's just get started, but that is not the case because I want to say you guys something. So previously I've uploaded a haul which was a mini quarantine haul, and this is a very huge quarantine haul. Yeah, I shopped from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I thought I would upload this video during the sale so that you guys can purchase from the sale, but Nykaa was really kind enough to deliver after the sale, despite of me ordering at 12 p.m. of the first day maybe. Yeah, I'm really impatient and I ordered at the first day. I was really excited for the Pink Friday sale and I couldn't stop. So I am thinking that you guys might be knowing that I am addicted to shopping. That's true. So if you love watching haul and want to watch more hauls during the future, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to see more hauls. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So this is how much I've shopped from Nykaa. I have gone mad shopping from Nykaa, and yeah, there is all types of products, skincare, necessities, essentials, and also a little bit of makeup, only a little bit of makeup, but there is. And also I've shopped from Purple. I hope my address is not there. Yeah, the packaging looks like this because I received this package 2 or 3 days ago, and yeah, I opened and saw what was inside it. I was really eager to open it. So this one was from Purple. I would really like to give the credits to Purple for, like, they sent me the package so beautifully wrapped in cellophane paper and then the purple cello tape and all of that. I really like the packaging of them. Yeah, there is my address, but you can see this is how it came in the front part also, but I tore it and I saw what was inside. So from Purple I just got a couple of things, not even a couple of things. I got 10 sheet masks and a charcoal mask, but the charcoal mask didn't arrive till now. So I will share it on my Instagram and share the review, means my first impression on the mask. If you want, then you can follow me on my Instagram and link it in the description box below. So yeah, after opening the package you receive a lot of bubble wraps, and bubble wrap देख के मेरा ये करने का मन कर रहा है. It's really satisfying. But let's just throw the bubble wraps for now. Okay. So I've got 10 sheet masks. Here is all the 10 sheet masks. There inside. And I'll just tell you quickly which flavor I got. So I got one calendula flavor in the sheet masks. I have not tried one yet. So if you want to watch a first impression of everything, then please comment down below so that I can make a video on that. So yeah, first one is calendula. Then we have got aloe vera flavored sheet masks. Then we have got honey flavored sheet masks. Then we have got sheet masks. Then we have got lemon flavored sheet mask. Then lotus, pomegranate, rice, avocado, tea tree, and last but not at all the least, the green tea sheet mask. And it has got my invoice inside it, which contains my address and doing all that stuff. And yeah, I've also received a free, I've also received a free Good Vibes watermelon gel. I think it's a moisturizer. I thought it to be a little bit bigger, but for 40 rupees I got it for free, but it retails for 40 rupees. I don't think you can say much, but yeah, I'm happy with this. I have not tried it yet, so I will just try this. Let me just open this. Yeah, okay. Let's just open and see how it is. Okay, you can see it is like sealed packed, so I have not even touched it from inside. I was so eagerly waiting to make this haul that I just couldn't stop myself. Oh, this is so satisfying. I don't want my hair to, reach there. It has got a lot of packaging, dear. Oh dear. So after opening this is how it looks like. I'll just take a little bit of it. Yeah. So just a little bit of it, and wow, it smells really amazing, and it smells like watermelon and some kind of smell, some really flowery smell, which I really love. If a moisturizer smells amazing, that is one thing that I need the most, because mostly moisturizers do not smell really good, and at least the ones I've used, they smell not so good, but this one is really good. And it also had that hydrating effect, which I think is very nice for girls during the summer. I'm not a beauty guru, but I just think it is really nice for girls during the summer, and even for boys. So I really like this. I hope that it would come in a bigger package, so that I would have tried it and then bought one. But I'll try this and I'll buy you another one if I really like this. I'll share its review on Instagram after using it a couple of days. If you want to know the review, then please follow me on my Instagram, and also comment down below. And yeah, the sheet masks are right over here with the calendula. Okay, the sheet masks are right over here. These sheet masks are from the Face Shop. I saw a video in which a girl told that face mask sends their this sheet masks in a beautiful like cover. I was really hoping that even I get a cute pouch, but sadly I did not. One retails for ₹100, but I got this in an offer which said buy 5 sheet masks and get 5 free. So I bought 5 sheet masks for 500 and got 5 free. So that was his total steal deal. Yeah, but one, if you buy it, without the offer, then you have to pay 1000 rupees for 10. Purple Raksha Bandhan sale is coming right up. Raksha Bandhan की कोई सा तो सेल आ रहा है अभी, so just go and grab your sheet mask, because I know the sheet masks are amazing. I've tried couple of them earlier and I know they are amazing. So just go and grab your sheet masks. So that is it from Purple, a free sample and this. And I have also ordered a I have ordered a charcoal, activated charcoal good vibes mask, but I have not received it till now. But I'm sure they will deliver it, and I'll give the review to you guys on Instagram. If you comment down below if you want the review, then I'll surely post the review. Now coming to Nykaa, you can see it's a very huge box. It's like a huge box. Nykaa's, it's a Nykaa thing that you get here all the products in this kind of cardboard box, and it has Nykaa tapes all over it. But if you order from the luxury store, I have ordered a few items, not like right now, but I have ordered a few items some months back, and you receive that in a black box, and that black box is amazing, and even this is amazing. But I like the Purple's packaging more, because they covered it with full sellotape and all of that stuff. But Nykaa's packaging is also nice, but I personally prefer the Purple one more because of the cellophane thing. And yeah, this is how it looks like from down, and this is basically how it looks like. Then you open this box, and let me just show you if I can. Maybe, yeah, it comes in all of this bubble wrap. The things was in bubble wrap, but I of course opened the bubble wrap because एक मिनट कैमरा थोड़ा सा ठीक कर लो. Okay, so I personally opened the bubble wrap because I wanted to see the things. And yeah, again bubble wrap, so you need to see this or something like that. Yeah, so not playing with this, I'm just keeping them out of my way so that it doesn't annoy me. But I'll play with it after I do the haul. I'm really excited about that. So what should I start with? Let's start with the colors. Okay, so I've got a couple of colors. Of course, I don't use hair color. I don't dye. I have highlighted my hair, but I don't dye myself. My mom dyes her hair, and my aunt and all dyes her hair. So we have got it. So yeah, this is from L'Oreal. It's their Excellence Creme hair color, and this is in the shade 3 dark brown. And yeah, that is about it, I guess. And it retails for 590 rupee, but of course I did not get for 590 rupee. I got it for much less. I'll mention the discounted price and the price right now in the description box below. But yeah, first product is this. This is a color from L'Oreal Excellence Creme hair color, and my mom uses this color and she really likes this color. The one con to this product is that my mom uses it and she has told me that the color like goes away, fades away very quickly, like within a week or so. And I have suggested her to not use oil and not, you know, shampoo, but use color protecting shampoo, because I think that might help. But still she uses it because it's an amazing product. So yeah, this is the first one, and I have quite a few colors, so you need to bear with me. I have, I guess, 4 or 5, I don't know. Okay, so this is again the next product. It is the L'Oreal Excellence Creme Hair Color. It is in the shade 3.16 burgundy, and yeah, it's the same thing. It's a color but in different shade. It's quite nice. So I've got this for my mom, for my aunt, and yeah, this is again in the shade 3 brown. My mom wanted, I guess. My mom, I don't know which color she uses, but yeah, this is for my mom, for my dearest aunties and all of them. Again, it's in the shade 3.16 burgundy, so I'll just keep it down for now. And we have one more color. It's again in the shade 3 brown. Yeah, so it's again L'Oreal Excellence Creme in the shade 3 brown. It retails for $5.90, but I've got it for less, which I'll mention in the description box below. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 colors. Yeah, so I've got this for my mom and aunties and all of that. And the next product which I see right here, I have mentioned this in my earlier haul. I don't remember if I mentioned this or not, but I really love this product. It is a O3 Professional D-Tan Pack, and my whole family uses it, by the way. We really love this, and we use this once in a month or twice in a month, somewhat like this, and it really helps. Like, it makes your skin brightening, and it, like, you get a glowy skin, so it really helps. And I love this product. You apply it and then it itches or tingles your skin for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then it stops, but it really does wonders. So I really love this product. So does my mother and my sister. So they have ordered it once again. It retails for rupees 13.50, but I guess I've got it for rupees 11.50. It did not have that much of a discount, but yeah, still we got it in a good price, and we are really happy with it. This is the biggest pack that they had, and yeah, I really love this. Everyone really loved this, so we got this. It is for 300 grams, and normally it retails for 13.50, but we got it for 11.50. It's a D-Tan O3 Professional D-Tan pack. That is about it, and you get all the details of it right over here. And yeah, that is about it. It's a D-Tan pack, and I really love this. I like really love this. So that's that. I don't know where to keep the products. Okay, I'll just, shall we? Okay, yeah, on to the next product. So the next product is, I don't know, we had only this one. Okay, so the next thing is this Lotus facial kit. It says Lotus Herbal Radiant Platinum. It's platinum facial kit. Rejuvena with cellular regeneration formula, blah blah blah, for all skin types. And this is a facial kit. As we know that during lockdown we can't really go out for facials and, you know, skincare and all of that stuff. So my mom used to use this, and my mom uses this from quite some time, and she like really likes this product. She used all of the three like shades, not shades, like diamond, platinum and gold, and she likes platinum one the most. And yeah, it retails for rupees 350, but of course I got it for much less. I don't remember how much, but I'll mention it in the description box below. And it's Lotus Herbal's Radiant Platinum facial kit. My mom asked me to order her 2 of this so that she can continue the next month also. It was a, you know, smart decision, because then you will, if you order one, then you will get it for 350 the next month. So we just thought of ordering 2 of this product because my mom loves it so much. So yeah, these were the next 2 products. Yeah, it's really messy. Then what do we got? Okay, then we have got this cherry lip balm, which I've already like सत्यानाश कर दिया मैंने इसका, because I really wanted to use the lip balm and I really wanted to see. I have been using this lip balm for quite some time. So I've used this lip balm for quite some time. I really love this. It's in the shade Cherry Shine, and Cherry Shiny is the shade. It retails for rupees 185. Like right now you'll get it for 185, but of course I got it in discount. So yeah, I really love this product because it's really hydrating. I feel it's really hydrating on my lips. It is like this. Then you open this up and then you get the product like this. Ooh, I can't open that much, no? Then it will, like, yeah. That it is not a tinted lip balm. It looks like really tinted, but it's not. When you apply this, it will give just a transparent lip with hydrating lips. At least it hydrates my lip. So yeah, I really like this product, and I thought of ordering this product because I was soon going to finish up this lip balm. So I just thought that let's just order it right now. I may need some more product, and you may see a purple haul too, but only if you comment for it I'll post it. Then what do we got? And yeah, I really like this product, by the way. What do we got next? Okay, yeah, first I want to like deal with all of the essentials and the things that you normally need, and then I'll go with, I've only got a little of makeup because I thought during this pandemic let's just order the essential commodities, but थोड़ा तो मन भटक जाता है ना, so बनता है वो. Okay, so this is the next thing. Of course my hand is also small behind this. This is the L'Oreal Color Protect Protecting Shampoo. It's L'Oreal Paris Color Protect Protecting Shampoo. Nourishes, protects and smoothens colored hair, and it really does, because I use this. I have recommended my mom to use this. She is also using this currently, and from that day she's not actually complaining of her color going away, so that's really a yay. So this was the biggest pack that we both ordered basically, and this retails for 282 rupees, but yeah, I got it in discount. And you may check for all of this product in purple, because I guess they will post a discount. They are like, yeah, posting something about discounts. I am really getting those messages. They are going live with some sale, 50 to 80%. I don't know, but you should really check them out and see what is the sale all about. And yeah, so this is a color protecting shampoo. It really smells amazing. You know, everything that smells amazing, it's like life, because who doesn't like to smell amazing? Okay, yeah, this is 396 ml. Yeah, that is what is written here, and you have all of these details behind, and it's a very good shampoo. I use this because I have highlighted hair. Mom uses this because she colors her hair, dyes her hair, and yeah, I think it helps. But yeah, I really wanted this product because my shampoo was going to end, so I just ordered a new product. So that is all the essential commodities that we needed, that we really needed during this lockdown. So yeah, we are done with all the essential commodities. Now going to makeup. It's a very little makeup left, so it will be a quick thing, only if I want it to be quick. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered is this Miss Claire brow pencil, and I don't really do my brows, as you can see right now. I have not done them, but I was really binge watching this makeup videos and all, so I thought let's just give it a try. But of course I didn't wanted to spend thousands of my bucks on eyebrow pencil. I could have ordered Benefit or Benefit Goof Proof, anything, but I thought, because I'm a beginner, I'll not go for something which is on the high end side and remain to the drugstore side. So I've heard a lot of my like sisters recommend to me that you should buy the Miss Claire pencil. It's really amazing, and I thought I will go for it. It is really inexpensive. It retails for somewhat, I'll just tell you, it retails for 125 rupees, which is still inexpensive, but I got it for 100 rupees, which is a yay. It's a steel deal, and yeah, it has 14 point 1.4 grams, and I have not even opened this yet. If you can see this, it still has the packaging, and yeah, I think I'll open it right now or baad mein. Of these packets, no, I can't open. So this has a spoolie at the end. If you can see this, it has this pulley at the end from which you can like adjust and comb your brows, which is a really nice thing to have. So there is this spoolie kind of thing at the end, spoolie or brush, whatever. So it comes with a cap. When you open the cap, you get this spoolie kind of thing from which you can like comb your eyebrow hair. And yeah, and this is what the front looks like. It's a cover, it's a cap. Then you open this brown cap up and you get this really pretty brown shade from which you can like fill up your brows. Of course I am not going to do it now because then you guys will have a horrible sight of my face. And yeah, it says it's a Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 dark brown, and then has all of its details. And I have not tried this product, but if you want me to try it, then again you need to comment down below so that I'll try this product. All these products are very new to me. I've heard of it and then I've bought it so that I can try it out. And yeah, so this is one of them, the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 dark brown. Yeah, the next thing is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It says it retails for 170 or 180 rupees, but I got it for less. It says it claims to be last 24 hours and it is smudge proof. It is deep black with aloe vera formula, black fix formula. It claims to have all of this. Yeah guys, I know that I have ruined the bag because I was really eager to see. If I really want to see and make sure that my products are not broken, then I have to complain. So I have opened this up. And yeah, इसका net content is 0.35 grams and that is about it, I guess. मैं इसको अभी निकाल नहीं सकती क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया, निकल नहीं रहा है. I really need to go like E and then it will come out. So I'm not going with that. Anyways, I've tried this. I've used this kajal and it's just amazing. I love this kajal, and so I cannot experiment like other kajal because if I have my comfort level with the product, I'll not change it until I'm like done ki yes, now I'm going to change my product. So I have that comfort level with this product. As you can see, I'm wearing kajal right now and I've worn this kajal, and this is again a necessity because of course whenever I want to click photos or something, I wear this kajal and I'm not changing it for now because it fits my comfort zone. So मेरे को निकलने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but I will. I assure you guys, I will. So that is it about this product. Then क्या? Yes, I was really excited about this product. This is the Nykaa's nail polish. It is so beautiful. My God, it's really beautiful. I just want you guys to see the shade. I think 1 minute. Now you guys will be able to see the like shade and all of that stuff. It is a beautiful pink color with like what do I say that? I'll just show you. So I am wearing this nail polish right now. If you want to see the shade, it's a beautiful pink shade with this black dots. And I was really skeptical. I've heard a lot about Nykaa's nail polish and I wanted to try, but first I wanted to try one so that like I am sure enough about the product because I just don't want to waste my money. And now that I have it, I will really order some nail polish because I was not obsessed with nail polish always, but now that I have this, I'm really obsessed with. So yeah, I'll order this product. It is in the shade Raspberry Crumb 255. I'm really sorry. It is in the shade Raspberry Crumb 255. Retails for rupees, I don't know. I really don't know what. There is no price given over here. I don't remember what the price of this is, but I just know that this is a beautiful color, and now I'm totally sure about Nykaa's nail polish, and I'll order some. Like you can see, right, how beautiful this product is. It's only one coat and it looks amazing. I'm not wearing any nail polish right now because I don't normally put nail polish always, but I really like this product, so I'm going to order some more and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, then I bought another hyped product. You can guess what is it. If you can, it's a mascara. It's a really hyped mascara. So if you can guess what mascara is it, then please comment down below and I'll reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. So pause the video and comment down below what is it. हो गया. So the product हो गया. So okay, so guess and write down below, so I'll reveal it now. Okay, so the product is this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I've seen a lot of YouTubers rave about this product and tell how good it is, tell us how good is this, and I've really seen the hype about this product, and I really wanted to try it myself to see what the actual hype is about this product. So other than this, I use the normal basic Maybelline Closer Lash Sensational Mascara. Yeah, I use that, but because I was getting this in sale, so I wanted to try this mascara. For me, paying $7.99 for a mascara is not too much but not too less too. So I wanted to try this during the sale so that I can see, and if I really like it, I will buy another once again. So I got it in the sale. It retails for 7.99 rupees, but I've got it for 5.19 rupees. Shade of course is black, and I have not even opened this product because for the sake of this video, but now I'll open it and quickly I'll just try how this product is. But wait, if you want me to post a first impression of this like product, then I'll not open it now. Means I will open it, I'll see the wand and everything else, but I'll not try it right now. So if you want, then please comment down below. So yeah, this is the, I don't know, but this is the product. Then I have this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Yeah, it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I was about to go for the next one, but then I read the reviews and it was a bit dry, and my skin itself is dry, so I don't want a concealer who will dry out and make me look bad, means make my makeup look cakey and all of that. So I just went for this one because I have heard a lot of people rave about this product and tell us how great this product is. So yeah, so it retails for rupees 475. It has net content 6.8 ml. It is in the shade क्या है भाई इसका, I don't know. Oh shit, where the shade is? Where is the shade? I really don't remember. Oh, it's in the shade 10 light. Yeah, that is like I was not getting my shade. Then I thought that because I use the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, foundation in ivory shade, so this might be my shade, and I'm really hoping that this might be my shade so that it matches my shade, so that it matches my color, skin color. And yeah, I think this would be my shade because I've tried a lot of concealers in the shade light or ivory or whatever, and they match my skin tone, go with my skin color, so I think this will go. But yeah, I will try it out, and yeah, I think this will go. I'm really hoping that this would go so that I don't really have to return it or buy another one. Of course I can't return it after trying it out, so I'll have to buy another one, but I think it will go because of course I had concealers in this shade and it goes with my skin color. So this is it. So this is about it. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. I have that Maybelline ka wo eraser concealer or something is there, no, that concealer, but I wanted with a like wand so that I can do all of that YouTuber kind of thing, the triangles and all of that. So I was really excited about this. I was really excited about each and every of this product because being a girl like me, I did not like all of the makeup that I had was my sister's, so I wanted to try some new products, so I just got them. And the last thing is again very hyped up about, it's a liquid, the last thing is again a very hyped up product. It's a liquid highlighter. I wanted to go, I was really confused between the Swiss Beauty and Nykaa Stop and Glow, but my mom just said that go for it without thinking, just go for it, because if it's priced it might be for a reason as well. So I just went for it. It is the Nykaa's Stop and Glow highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter. It came in this amazing beautiful packaging. I really hope that it would be a little big because in the picture it was a lot bigger, and then I read the reviews. Whenever I purchase something, I read the reviews so to see how it is, and I've seen some amazing reviews about this, but I was hoping that it would be a little bigger because we are paying 700 rupees, 699, and there was no discount in this, so I was hoping it would be a little bigger, but nonetheless, it is this Nykaa Stop and Glow highlighter. And so this is the Nykaa ka Stop and Glow highlighter. It came in this beautiful packaging, and yeah, I was really hoping, but चलो अब नहीं हुआ तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. It is in the shade glazed bronze. I wanted to get the gold wine one, but then I thought कि no, because it's a liquid highlighter and I personally will wear of course this under my makeup, so I didn't want it to be like really chunky and all of that. I was really hoping that it doesn't provide me that chunky glitters that it shows on your face. So yeah, but it was not, because I have just seen this and applied it here, and it is buttery soft. It's like buttery soft. I have applied it to my mom and she said it's amazing. It is for rupees 6.99, no discounts even during the sale. You open the packaging, then there is this thing, then you open it up, and open, and this is the amount of product that you get. I'm sure like you will be able to see a little big bottle on the camera, but it's really small. Like this is how much the product is. Only this is how much the product is. It's a beautiful product. It is buttery soft. It's like really soft, melts in your skin, makes you look amazing. I love this product. Will I buy it again? Of course I'll buy it again. It's amazing, but the only con is that it's really thick, so like even if I'm pressing this and pulling it up, it comes with a lot of product, and then you will get one drop. Then let me just show you. I'm just pressing this to take the product, one drop, and then you don't get any drops. Why am I not getting another drop? Because I want it on my skin, right? But पता नहीं है, तो सिर्फ दो लगा भी नहीं है ठीक से. Yeah. Trust me guys, I wanted, if you guys want, I'll give you the first impression, but this I had to try because I want to see what the hype about this product is, and I can really see the hype for this product. I mean, it's buttery soft, it melts in your skin. What else do you want? It provides you the subtle glow that everyone talks about, and yeah, it provides all of those things. It is a bit small, but I have no complaints about it, because if it is thick, it will go for a long time, and that is really good. And I really love this highlighter. I think everyone would, but सबके अपने अपने reasons होते हैं. Some of them don't, some of them do, but I really like the highlighter because like it's very soft. If I could make you see how much touch, make it feel how much soft this product is, then I would, but I cannot. So with this we come to the end of the video, the end of the haul, and that is all the product that I got in discount. You can search for all of these products in Purple. They will have a sale soon, 5 to 8 August I guess, and you can see, except this store window, if you want you have to buy it from Nykaa, but except this I think all of these products will be available in Purple. Yeah, you can search them. So with this, it is the end of our video. It was a long chat, a long talk, a big haul, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also please turn on the bell notification so that every time I post a video you get notified and come to watch my video quickly. So yeah, with this we come to the end of the video. I love you guys. Bye bye, see you soon.